We are working on the bottom of page 98 in this video, and then we will be going on to page 99 and 100 as we progress through it. So to begin with, let's look at number 1 right here. We have to match these up just like we were doing up here at the top, and we have to figure out which group has more. So make sure you have a crayon with you. Now that you have your crayon, let's get started. We're going to draw a line from this tennis ball to this football. We're going to draw a line from this tennis ball to this football. Now look, we're out of footballs, but we still have tennis balls. That means we have more tennis balls than footballs. The number of tennis balls is greater than the number of footballs. So we are going to draw a circle around the tennis balls because that has the bigger number. It is the greater group. Look at number 2. And if you need to pause the video to finish number 1, or if you need to pause it at any time to catch up with me before going to the next problem, go ahead and do that. You don't need to wait for me to tell you after each problem. Just click pause, do your work like I've done it, and then click the video again, and we'll all move on to the next problem. In number 2, we have bowling balls and we have hockey pucks. Again, we're going to draw lines to match them up. So let's draw a line from this video to this hockey puck. From this bowling ball to this hockey puck. We're going to draw a line from this bowling ball to this hockey puck. And look, we have one hockey puck left over. That means which group has more? Are there more hockey pucks or are there more bowling balls? Which group has one left over by itself? It would be the hockey pucks, wouldn't it? Go ahead and draw a circle around those hockey pucks because they have the greater number. The hockey pucks are greater than the bowling balls. I'm going to go ahead and erase mine. So go ahead and pause the video if you need to see it. Finish your work and then I'm going to erase it and we'll go on to the next one together. Let's look at number 3. For number 3, we have baseballs and we have golf balls. We need to find out which one has the greater number. So we are going to draw a line from this baseball to that golf ball. We are out of golf balls. There are not any more to match up to the baseballs. Which group still has balls left over that were not able to be matched up? It's the baseballs, isn't it? The number of baseballs is greater than the number of golf balls, so we are going to circle it. Look at number 4. We have bowling balls and we have a volleyball. Let's go ahead and use our crayon to try to match those up. I'm going to match this bowling ball right here to the volleyball just because it's a little bit closer and it looks like it would like to have a buddy. Look, this bowling ball is all by itself. Which group has some left over? Which group is more? The bowling balls, right? Because the bowling ball has one left over that's not matched. So we are going to draw a circle around the bowling balls because the number of bowling balls is greater than the number of volleyballs. Once you're ready, look at number 5. In number 5, the footballs and the baseballs are all mixed and jumbled up. That's how we see them in real life. They're usually not in nice, neat rows. So we are going to get our crayon out and we are going to start matching. Let's match this football to this baseball. We're going to match this football to this baseball. We're going to match this football to this baseball and this football to that baseball. Which group has some left over? Are there baseballs left over or are there footballs left over? There are footballs left over because this one was not matched with anyone. I'm going to circle the number of footballs and only the footballs because the number of footballs is greater than the number of baseballs. Go ahead and pause the video so that you can do that. And then whenever you resume it, I'm going to have my board erased and we're going to go on to the next page. Remember this page where it says independent practice. It's the one that you try to do by yourself as I tell you what to do for each problem. Everyone look at number 6. Number 6, we have beach balls and we have hockey pucks. Let's start matching the beach balls to the hockey pucks. Ready? We're going to draw a line from this beach ball to this hockey puck. We're going to draw a line from this beach ball to this hockey puck and from this beach ball to this hockey puck. Which group has more left over? Whichever group has more left over, you need to draw a circle around that group. Make sure you draw a circle around that. I did part of number 6 for you, but here for number 7, I'm going to have you do number 7 by yourself. I'm going to tell you what to do, and then you need to do it by yourself, okay? We have bowling balls and we have volleyballs. You need to draw a line from the bowling ball to match it up with the volleyball. Go ahead and do that. Now that you have the line drawn and everything matched up, which group has more? Which group has some left over? It would be the volleyballs, would it? Go ahead and draw a circle around those because they have some left over. Okay, number 8. Do you think you know what to do on this one? Can you remember what we've been doing on the other ones? We've been drawing lines to match them up. Go ahead and draw your lines to match up the beach balls to the volleyballs. Look and see which group has more. Which group is greater? Go ahead and circle that group that is greater. Okay, pause the video until you're caught up and you're ready to do number 9 because number 9 is a little different, so I have to tell you how to do it. For number 9, you have 3 red counters in your 5 frame up here. 3 red counters. In this empty 5 frame, you need to use any color you want but red. Okay, you can use any color but red. And you need to draw counters that are greater than the number of red. Remember, greater than means there's going to be more of them. It's a bigger number. Okay, I look forward to seeing your math pages when we get together again and giving everyone a stick on it for doing such a good job. I'll see you in the next video tomorrow.